A polynomial is like a well-balanced math smoothie. Only non-negative integer exponents mixed with the right amount of algebraic protein. They carry themselves so beautifully that mathematicians chose them as the foundation for everything from curve sketching to solving equations to modeling real-world phenomena. They're smooth, reliable, and never sneak in weird surprises like dividing by zero or imaginary parts. Just pure algebraic goodness. In the future, when you hear your teacher say monomial, binomial, and trinomial, note that he is not casting spells to summon algebraic holy spirits. He is telling you the number of terms. Once we pass 3 terms, we stop counting and just call it a polynomial, because nobody has time to say quadnomial. The degree of a polynomial tells you how educated that expression is. A constant has never been to school. A linear polynomial has a high school diploma. A quadratic? College grad. Cubics are working on a master's, and quartics are deep in PhD territory. Anything beyond that is usually unemployed, overqualified, and sketching graphs for no reason. When subtracting polynomials, that negative sign in front of the brackets is as contagious as a bad cold in a poorly ventilated math class. It spreads like wildfire and flips the sign of every term in that bracket. Forget to distribute it, and your final answer will not survive the pandemic. FOIL is the classic method for multiplying binomials. First, outer, inner, last. But students sometimes treat it like it stands for forget, overthink, ignore, lose track. Don't fall for the fake FOIL. Stick to the real steps and watch your binomials bloom into a beautiful trinomial. These special products are the VIPs of algebra. They show up so often, you might as well memorize them before they memorize you. If you got a dime for every time you'll use these special products in this course, you'd have enough money to buy a magical eraser that only works on wrong answers. I am afraid you will have to memorize these two as well. But if memorizing is not your thing, tattoo them on your forearm in cryptocalligraphy. Sir Isaac Factorton was famously strict with his disciples. Legend says he once made a student square a binomial 100 times on a blackboard for confusing a square of a sum with a sum of squares. Another was exiled from the classroom for trying to cancel terms instead of factors. His motto: expand with honor, or don't expand at all. It's said that he could spot a factoring mistake from 3 chalkboards away.